Hey there, thriving retailer fans. Today we're going to talk about multi-locations and understanding your inventory in those multi-locations. Whether you have 2 to 20 or maybe more, we can show you in Heartland Retail the quantity on hand, the quantity that is committed to that location, the quantity that is currently available, and we also have a way to look at what's the quantity on the PO that's coming in. So you can tell the customer right away. Or if you love to transfer from one store to another, especially if you have overstock, what is the quantity in transit? So let's take a deep dive, because you know how I am. Data. That helps you run your store. So where do we start? Well, in your dashboard, it's always going to let you know if you have any pending orders to be distributed, overdue. So this is where the quantity really starts. If you've done an old purchase order and it's in to be received, you take a look. This is the work that needs to be done. But let's go ahead and take a look at some items here. All right, we should have, here we go. We have a shell bracelet in black, nice photo of it. And if we come down here, we can see in our St. Lucie store we have 100. And we have 10 more on a purchase order coming in. And it looks like we only ordered 5 to New York. So, if you're taking a look about ordering these, you realize, maybe we don't order anymore. If I have extra, I go ahead and transfer those or get those out of St. Lucie. But if you notice, in one glance, without switching to another screen, you can take a look and see how many you have in that location, how many are committed, how many are available, how many are purchase order, and if you had any transferred in. Let's go ahead and take a look at another product we have. Oops. I have to go back to inventory search. Certainly don't want to change the product we have on hand. Here we go. Just take a look there. All right, we've got another ankle bracelet. This is multicolor. And we have, if you notice, this is checked, so it's hiding all rows where the quantity is 0. We bring it up. Okay, we do have 99 in St. Lucie, but none were on that purchase order. So the clerk, whoever's ringing up, or the manager, does not have to say, well, if they ordered the black, they must have ordered the multi-store. They can see right here, they ordered 10 of the black, but we did not order any of the multicolor. So there's no question, nobody to call. We take a look at it. Now, if you need some in the Miami, Tampa, or New York store, and you want to do a transfer, you could do a transfer request. And I have some items that do have an active transfer request. So we'll go ahead and take a look at one of those to give you an idea what it looks like. And here we go. So this windbreaker, in here, we can uncheck this. Right now, it looks like we have 147 available in the St. Lucie store, but we had negative 50 in Tampa. That means they oversold. So we went ahead and we do have a inbound quantity or a transfer coming from another store in order to bring that quantity or to meet that order. So they must have an active order for 50. They did not have them in stock, so they're going to have them transferred to another store. You can look up your transfers easily, find out where they're coming from. But if somebody wants to know, they say, okay, it's in transit. We might find, if we go back to our dashboard, that there probably is our order to be distributed. Let's take a look. And there's our windbreakers that needed to be distributed. So once, if someone was to complete this, that we would find that it would update that quantity and they would able to call that customer and let them know that the product is ready for pickup. So keep in mind, you've got to love Heartland Retail. If you have multiple locations and you want to know the products that you have and where are they and get them easily from store to store, then we take a look at this. Just give you one more quick example. We'll look at our towel. I love this product. And here we have, in St. Lucie, we currently have 74. So it looks like they did a PO of only 10. In Miami, they ordered 20. Tampa, they got 10 coming in. In New York, only 5. Probably figured since it's fall, they might not sell too many towels there. But thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. And always subscribe to follow our tips. Have a great day.